In this video, we will compare Siri versus Alexa versus ChatGPT and see which one is best. So as you can see right here, Siri and Alexa are voice-activated virtual assistant, while ChatGPT is a generative AI conversational model. So let's see their pros and cons. So for this right here, for their capabilities, ChatGPT is ideal for writing code, generating essays, brainstorming, and complex multi-turn reasoning. Meanwhile, Siri is best for Apple ecosystem tasks such as setting alarms, controlling lights, and sending text via voice. Meanwhile, Alexa is strong in smart home integration, shopping, and hands-free voice routine. For the context and memory, ChatGPT excels at maintaining conversation context over long interactions, whereas Siri and Alexa traditionally operate on command by command basis, though this is evolving with AI upgrades. Alexa and Siri can interact directly with physical devices such as smart lights, thermostats, and music players, while ChatGPT cannot actually do this. So for this case, you can choose either Siri if you have iOS ecosystem, choose Alexa if you have a smart home, and choose ChatGPT if you want knowledge and content generation. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.